How do I safely remove mothball odor from a room where someone is sleeping?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to tackle a problem that some of you might be familiar with: removing the smell of mothballs from a room. Mothball odor can be stubborn and persistent, but with some simple steps and regular maintenance, you can have your space smelling fresh and clean in no time.
Why is mothball odor a problem?
First off, it's essential to understand why we need to be concerned about mothball odors. Mothballs are usually made up of either naphthalene or paradichlorobenzene, both of which can be harmful if inhaled for prolonged periods. Exposure to these chemicals can cause headaches, nausea, and even serious respiratory issues. It's critical to ensure a safe, odor-free environment, especially in a room where someone sleeps.
How to air out the room?
The first step to removing mothball odor is ventilation. Open all windows and doors to allow fresh air in. If you have fans or an air purifier, turn them on to facilitate the process. Keep the room ventilated throughout the day, or as much as possible. This step will help disperse the chemical particles responsible for the mothball odor.
How to absorb the odor?
Next, we're going to use odor-absorbing substances. Baking soda and activated charcoal are excellent at absorbing odors. Spread baking soda over the carpet or any fabric-covered areas. Let it sit for several hours, then vacuum it up. Place bowls of activated charcoal around the room, especially near the source of the smell, and leave them for a few days to absorb the odor.
What about washing fabrics?
If the mothball smell is on your fabrics, like beddings, curtains, or clothes, wash them thoroughly. For non-washable fabrics, consider using a fabric freshener or taking them to a professional cleaner.
How to maintain a fresh-smelling room?
Once you've removed the mothball odor, you'll want to keep your room smelling fresh. Regular cleaning and ventilation will help, but you can also use natural room fresheners like essential oils or potpourri. In conclusion, removing mothball odor from a room can be a straightforward process if you're diligent and patient. Remember, the key is regular ventilation and cleaning, coupled with odor-absorbing agents. Hopefully, these steps help you reclaim your fresh, odor-free space. Stay safe and happy cleaning!